Social identity theory is a fascinating concept that delves deep into the heart of human social behavior, exploring how our group memberships shape our perceptions, emotions, and actions. This theory, pioneered by Henry Tajfel and John Turner in the 1970s, emerged as a critical response to traditional understandings of intergroup relations, particularly in the context of prejudice and discrimination. At its core, social identity theory proposes that our identities are not just personal, but also social. That is, part of who we think we are comes from our membership in various social groups, be it our nationality, religious affiliation, profession, or even the sports teams we support. Tajfel defined social identity as that part of an individual's self-concept which derives from their knowledge of their membership of a social group or groups, together with the emotional significance attached to that membership. To understand the implications of this theory, consider the profound words of George Herbert Mead. Social psychology is especially interested in the effect which the social group has in the determination of the experience and conduct of the individual member. Mead's insight underscores a central tenet of social identity theory. Our groups significantly influence how we see ourselves and how we behave. The theory is built on a few key concepts. 1. Social categorization. We categorize ourselves and others to understand and predict the social world. These categories become a part of our identity. This process is natural and often automatic, but it's not without consequences. As we categorize, we tend to exaggerate the differences between groups and the similarities within them. 2. Social identification. We adopt the identity of the group we have categorized ourselves as belonging to. This process goes beyond mere categorization. It involves emotionally attaching and aligning our self-concept with the group's norms and values. It's elegantly summed up by Kurt Lewin. The individual's self-concept becomes largely defined in terms of we rather than I. 3. Social comparison. This is the process of comparing our group with others, not just any comparison, but one motivated by a desire to maintain or enhance our self-esteem. Tajfel and Turner argued that we have a basic need to see our in-group, the group we identify with, favorably compared to out-groups, those we don't belong to. This leads to what is known as in-group bias, where we favor and view our own group more positively. An important outcome of social identity theory is the understanding of in-group favoritism and out-group discrimination. It offers a lens to examine phenomena like prejudice, stereotyping, and even intergroup conflict. When our social identity is threatened, we may engage in behaviors aimed at boosting our group's status, sometimes at the expense of others. But it's not all negative. Social identity theory also provides insights into positive aspects like group solidarity, collective action, and social change. The bonding within groups can be a source of support, self-esteem, and resilience. In the context of real-world applications, social identity theory has profound implications in diverse areas like organizational behavior, marketing, politics, and conflict resolution. It helps us understand phenomena like brand loyalty, political partisanship, or workplace dynamics. In conclusion, as the noted sociologist Charles Cooley stated, an individual's self is the sum total of all they can call theirs. In this vein, social identity theory enriches our understanding of the self by highlighting how our group memberships contribute significantly to our self-concept, driving much of our social behavior. It's a theory that not only explains but also predicts how we relate to the world around us.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.